Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in your Scratch project by selecting the sprite that needs sound. This keeps audio linked to the right actor. Once selected, switch to the Sounds tab and add a sound from the library, upload an MP3/WAV or record directly, choose the method that preserves quality. Make sure to name the clip clearly and trim silence so playback is clean. This prevents timing drift when you later sync animation to sound and saves file size for online projects. You now refine the audio so it fits the action. Use trim to cut dead space, duplicate to preserve originals, and fade to smooth edges. These edits avoid pops and abrupt stops. Then adjust the Sound tab's volume and use the sound effects like pitch shift when you want character variation. Once done, test the clip with the sprite's motion. Make short loops for repeating actions and export any polished sounds if you plan to reuse them across projects to keep consistency and small file size. You finish by wiring audio into your code. Use play sound or start sound blocks attached to events like clicks, key presses, or broadcasts. This makes audio responsive. Once done, synchronize action and sound with wait blocks or by triggering broadcasts so multiple sprites coordinate. Layering several short sounds creates richer effects. If something goes wrong, make sure Scratch isn't muted, confirm the file is MP3/WAV, and check browser microphone and audio permissions. These fixes resolve most playback and recording issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.